Hello everybody, I'm Ernest. I'm here to show you another product that was sent to me. This is from Camplux. This is a induction stove. So you're probably thinking, what's the big deal? Just another stove. No, this is a technology that just today I became aware of it. I've heard of induction stove, but didn't understand exactly what it meant or what it does. So let me just do this right off the bat so you can see how different this technology is. It's much more than what I thought. All right, so I turn on one of the burners. It's not going to do anything because there's no pot on there. Watch me. I'm going to put this rag on top of it. Then I'm going to put a pan on top of it. Look what happened. That's just cold water on a cold pan. And you can see what is already starting to happen. But yet the towel is not burning. That's what I'm talking about, how this technology is something else. Okay, so I'm going to take it off. As you can see, the towel is not damaged. And I can place my hand on top of it and it doesn't really burn me. That's the difference of the induction stove. So now you saw that. Now if it's something new to you, then it probably surprises you. But if not, if you're familiar with what an induction stove is, then it's no big deal. But this is way different for me, and I'm coming aware of it. Now you have two burners on this particular item. They do sell one that is a one burner if you just wanted a smaller package. This can be mounted flush on a countertop. Has a little lip here and a seal, and you can just cut out your countertop and this part will go down and you would have a flush stove. The thing about the pan, this here is the only pan I had that is made out of steel. Now why is that important? Because your pan needs to be magnetically attractive. In other words, it's got to be steel or iron or something to that effect. So this is turns out this is the only pan I have that is magnetic. And it comes with a magnet so you can test your pans, and if it does that, then it'll work. It did say if the pan is thin, it works better than a thicker pan. So that is how that happens. Now, as you can tell, the pan that touches the surface is smaller than the surface area here. So when I place the pan on top of it, it's only going to heat up the area that is in direct contact with the countertop. So let me go and try to explain how this technology works. There is a coil, electrical coil underneath this glass top, and it induces a magnetic field onto the pan, to the surface that it touches. That causes the atoms in the material to vibrate and heat up. So it's almost like instant heat. So right now, I have it locked out, and you won't be able to adjust it or anything. So you place your finger over the item and it unlocks it. Wait, I did it wrong. I got to hold it longer. Okay, so now it is ready to go. Oh, I got to turn it on first. Let's go to the function. That's the wattage, or you can have it in temperature. You can adjust it as so far. There's a timer here. It's 0 to 3 hours. Now what this is going to allow you to heat the pan up, cook faster than you can, let's say, on a gas stove or an electric stove. Okay, so when it has that H on there, that means that it's hot. But it's a little warm. I just took the pan off it. I just turned it off. So this is an 1800 watt unit. You can run all 1800 watts on one burner on the left stove. And this one is only maxed out at 1300. But you can't run them both at max. It's a combined 1800 watts. That's why you have the wattage down here, so that you can adjust it. You can put 500 over here and 500 over here or something like that, as long as you don't exceed the 1800 wattage of the unit. So it wouldn't trip the breaker. I'm running it just out of a 110 plug here in my RV, and I'm kind of amazed at this technology. I didn't know exactly what an induction stove was. Okay, so that's the video for today's product. As always, I'll put the link in the description. It's an Amazon link. That one was $229. The single burner was $99. So you just need a single burner. And but they have all kinds of products. I saw they had like several types of water heaters, tankless water heaters, and all kinds of stuff for RVs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.